In this video, we will be learning how to move parts from one job to another. In the Jobs window, at the bottom is where all parts are listed for each job. I picked Job 2, which has no parts on it, for this video. Click on the job you want to move the parts from. Highlight the part you want to move. Above the parts list are some options listed: request, cut, paste, remove part, etc. Click on Cut, read the README note, and click OK. Then click on Job 2 at the top, which is where you want to move the part to. Click Paste, and that part will be moved to the line Job 2. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to move parts from one job to another.